Nature keeps secrets that have not yet been revealed and are experienced daily to unravel these phenomena that, for years, have impressed humanity. Part of these secrets are related to fascinating phenomena, many of them already explained, others still dangerous but all completely captivating. Volcanoes, with approximately 1,500 of these structures on Earth, display a true spectacle of natural forces. When one can go into activity, the consequences tend to be variable. They can generate 3 types of eruptions: the fusel paz base, where only lava is expelled; the explosive, which releases rock fragments called pyroclasts; and as bugs, which emit both lava and pyroclasts. Eruptions occur when lava located below the Earth's surface is released, forming veritable rivers of molten rock with temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees centigrade. These lava flows shape the landscape and, as they cool, create impressive rock barriers. Despite the destructive potential, volcanic eruptions are incredible phenomena, and we cannot deny the beauty of these lava flows, which is the excess of water not absorbed by the soil and that runs freely, carrying everything in its path. Some torrents can reach enormous proportions, resembling temporary rivers. Although it is a natural phenomenon, human activity has contributed significantly to the increase and occurrence of floods, especially in cities where a large part of the soil is waterproofed with cement and asphalt. In addition, deforestation contributes to this phenomenon, since trees, mainly through their roots, help to keep the soil permeable. With no trees and compacted soil, water is not retained, causing soil explosions. Waterspouts are another phenomenon to watch carefully. They occur when there is a very heavy rain at the head of a river and excess water is quickly discharged from the river below. This gigantic volume of water can be dangerous for people who are close. The Darvaz crater, also known as Gateway to Hell, is an intriguing and dangerous phenomenon. It originated from an accidental surgery performed by scientists in 1971 in the Derweiz region of Turkmenistan, in search of natural gas reserves. However, the ground gave way and a huge crater formed, releasing methane gas. Scientists, fearing that the toxic gas would spread across the region, decided to burn the gas to avoid further problems. However, they did not expect this fire to continue for so long. Since then, for more than 50 years, the Darvaz crater has been burning non-stop, becoming an impressive and frightening spectacle at the same time. This crater has become a peculiar and unique tourist attraction, attracting travelers from all over the world. However, an area around the crater is highly dangerous, and visitors must keep their distance and take all necessary necessities to avoid accidents. The submerged waterfall in Mauritius is a fascinating phenomenon that challenges the traditional idea of a waterfall. Unlike conventional waterfalls, which flow from a high height to the ground below, this optical illusion takes place underwater. The phenomenon occurs in an area known as Le Morne Brabant, located on the southwest coast of the main island of Mauritius. In this region, the underwater geography is marked by a kind of underwater fault or escarpment. The crystal-clear water that surrounds the island allows light to penetrate to great depths, clearly revealing the bottom of the sea. The submerged waterfall is created by the movement of marine currents and sediments that descend from the highest area of the underwater fault to the deeper areas. This flow of water and sediment resembles the appearance of a waterfall, as if the water were flowing into the depths of the ocean. This illusion is especially impressive when observed from above, from lookouts or helicopter flights. The contrast between the turquoise waters, the white sand, and the supposed waterfall create a spectacular and surreal landscape. The bioluminescent fish that inhabit the depths of the ocean are also true wonders of nature. Some of these fish have specialized light-emitting organs, called photophores, located along their bodies. This light can be used to attract prey, confuse predators, or even communicate with other members of the same species. Furthermore, bioluminescence has an important role in the ecology of marine ecosystems, as it can play a crucial role in the food chain. Bioluminescent organisms can lure their prey with their light, which in turn can attract larger predators. This process creates a chain of interconnected events that helps to balance the dynamics of the ecosystem. In the specific case of fireflies, they are insects known for their ability to produce light through a specialized organ in the lower part of their abdomen. The light given off by fireflies is mainly used to attract mates during mating. Each firefly species has a unique light pattern, allowing males and females to recognize each other and find each other for reproduction. When bioluminescent algae build up on beaches, especially on nights with a full moon, they can create a truly magical spectacle. As the waves break on the shore, bioluminescence is activated, and the water appears to glow and emit a bluish or greenish light. This phenomenon, known as a luminous red tide or bioluminescent tide, is a unique and memorable attraction for night watchers. Understanding this phenomenon still continues to fascinate scientists and nature enthusiasts, providing new discoveries and wonder at the beauty of the natural world. Lake Maracaibo, located in Venezuela, is famous for providing a unique and surprising experience, experiencing multiple storms in a single day. This is largely due to the presence of the Catatumbo River, which flows into the lake and creates an impressive spectacle of almost constant storms. It is a spectacular and mysterious phenomenon that has attracted the attention of scientists and travelers for decades. The uniqueness of this place lies in its reputation as the place with the highest amount of electrical discharges in the world. With about 200 days of storms per year, it is a region where lightning strikes in abundance. The concentration of lightning is so incredible that the flow of the Catatumbo River has an impressive mark of 250 rays per square kilometer. During the height of storms, which usually occurs between 7 p.m. and 4 a.m., observers can witness up to 28 lightning strikes per minute lighting up the night sky. Despite its fascinating nature, scientists have yet to fully explain this phenomenon. Several theories have been proposed over the years, but the mystery persists. One of the theories suggests that the surrounding mountains with their specific shapes can contribute to the development of storms. Another line of thought points to the presence of chemical elements present in the local swamps, which could play a role in generating the electrical storms. A sonic phenomenon known as Taos hum is observed in certain locations on Earth. This mysterious sound erupts without warning, propagating through the environment, not attributed to wind, natural noises, or subterranean human activities. Theories suggest that the vibrations could be picked up acoustically by people with special ears, or could be related to lithospheric movements, or even collisions in the ocean. The phenomenon is yet to be fully understood. In the heart of the shimmering turquoise sea of the Caribbean, an impressive circle of dark blue stands out, attracting like a magnet divers and tourists from all corners of the world to the natural beauty of Belize, located in the central region of the Americas. Known as the Great Blue Hole, this unique phenomenon is actually an ancient cave that formed tens of thousands of years ago, when sea levels were considerably lower than those observed in the contemporary era. As ocean waters began to rise, the cave gradually submerged, but its history was preserved. Its majestic stalactites remained unchanged, surrounded by a myriad of marine creatures of diverse species, such as elegant stingrays, vibrant parrotfish, and graceful butterflyfish. The Great Blue Hole is part of the Belize Barrier Reef Reserve, a natural heritage of inestimable value recognized by UNESCO as an integral part of the human legacy. The next enigmatic wonder is in the United States and is called the Devils Kettle, a waterfall several meters high formed by a river that forks in a peculiar way. The most striking feature of Chalera do Diabo is the way the river forks in an unusual way. Part of the water flow follows the expected course of a waterfall, falling from a considerable height, providing a dazzling visual spectacle with the soft sound of falling water echoing in the surrounding area. However, the real uniqueness of this place is in the second flow of water. This stream disappears into a stone pit, appearing to disappear completely underground. This characteristic challenges conventional expectations of how rivers and waterfalls generally function. While underground rivers are not uncommon phenomena, the Devil's Kettle stands out because the transition from visible flow to underground flow is almost imperceptible, leaving observers wondering about the exact point at which the water disappears. What further increases the mystery is the uncertainty regarding the beginning and end of the underground river. Unlike more typical underground rivers, where it is possible to map and track the trajectory of the water from its origin to its final destination, in Chalera, do Diabo this journey seems to escape a direct understanding. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon.